say, first start after 30 years. Been running about 10 seconds on an old tune-up. Put a set of points in it. Alrighty. Hasn't ran in probably 30 years. We don't know, 2025. It's all warmed up. Got 30 pounds of oil pressure at idle. Old solid cam engine. Just rebuilt the distributor, punch condenser, tuned it up, rebuilt the carburetor, put propellers in the water pump, new gaskets on these end plates, new fuel filter. Good. Got that kind of oil pressure with the 1986 K-Barn oil filter, huh? Let's do a restart. Shit. Listen to that. Well, there you go, good used engine. Don't know how many hours are on it. Don't know much about it other than it runs, so be good for a repower and an old boat. Got good oil pressure, good compression, seems to run good, so have at it. I'm going to change oil and that's it.